Hello everyone, I'll come directly straight to the point. In this video, I will show you how we can create a white outline to any of our images. Let it be white or let it be any other color using Canva, and I'll show that in less than 5 minutes of time. So first we have to navigate to any one of the browser. If you are using your mobile phone or maybe your laptop, you have to get into Google and then you have to navigate to canva.com. So in the URL you have to start typing canva.com, and once we have landed onto the Canva homepage, all we have to do is we have to choose the right template. If you want to start designing using YouTube thumbnail, you can do that, but in my scenario I just want to click on social media and then I want to choose Instagram post, which is square, and on this particular template I want to import any one of my image and then I want to start drawing the outline. So from the left side we have to choose the option uploads and then we have to choose any one of our image. Now when I click on that image, it will be directly landing on the template. So the very first thing that we have to do is we have to remove the background of this image. So what we have to do, we have to choose this element and then we have to click on background remover. It will just take 1 to 2 seconds of time and then the background of this image has been removed, and then we have to place this image in the alignment, and once we did that we have to add any one of the background image color, which will be very good. It gives us a very good look. So let me click on background color and then I want to choose any one of the decent color. It can be yellow or it can be brown, anything would be fine. And once we choose this, we have to add the outline to this particular image, right? So it is going to be very simple. First we have to choose the element, and in our scenario it is going to be this image, and then we have to click on edit. And once we click on edit, from the left side options we have to navigate to effects, and here we have to find the option shadows. So here is the option, we have to click on shadows, and then once we choose the option shadows we have to click on glow, and I want to choose glow, and it is going to be very simple. The very first thing is we have to choose the color of the outline, and in our scenario it is going to be white. If you want to add any of the outline, you have to choose the appropriate color, and once you have chosen the color, we have to completely increase the intensity to 100. That is step number 1. And then when it comes to blur, we have to completely make it 0. Step number 2. And finally, when it comes to size, we have to adjust it. We can keep 24 or maybe 22, it will be very good. If we keep 100, it won't be that much good. So always maintain in between 20 to 30 based upon your taste. And once it is completed, if you want to make any kind of changes to this design, if you want to add the text or maybe if you want to add multiple elements, you can do that. I hope you find this video really helpful, and I will be doing much more videos, and I will show you how you can make an use of Canva very easily, and I'll show you all the tricks in my videos. And if you really like my video helpful, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video shortly. Thank you so much.